Well, it's a fantastic day. Fantastic, if you know what I mean. We got to see some GM Chevy trucking action.
We're filming it for
Alrighty. Well, this video is for Chris, who's 9 years old, and he likes my Chevy truck. Guess it's a 1988, and we've never tried jumping it before, so we got a jumper guinea pig. Have you ever jumped before?
Not here.
You got a truck? You got a silver Dodge truck, don't you?
Yep.
How do you like this one?
It's not a Dodge. I hate it.
Well, let's see how it does. You got to back right up to your back wheels, just touch that bean field down there. Puncher. Hold the throttle on till you're just coming off the top. Don't let the throttle off till your front end's near the top. And no brakes till after you're rolling and landing. All right?
Not a problem.
Okay. Go for her.
Safety first.
Yeah, make sure it's tight. Okay, turn it on. Now he is assuming the position. Here we go. Oh, that was pretty good. He did well for a beginner. Cool. Take 3, take 2, whatever. Oh, sweet. Drive her like she's a Dodge. Well, that's pretty good again. Well, I guess with a short run, that's all the jumping we can do. We won't get any more air today. You cracked my window! It sounds like it's got a couple extra rattles.
It does.
You got pretty good air, but you can't get any more because there's too short a run. But, oh, look at the space in the door. Wait, close the door. The frame is bent. Jackknifed.
Fuck yeah.
Let's go see the other side.
How's the box?
No, this side's still okay.
My cab on mine is
The box cap's good.
cab shocks fucking mine compression.